Today I'll show you how to slow down any song in After Effects and add a nice bass on top as well. First, add your song onto the timeline, then right-click your layer. Expand this option that says time, and then click on time stretch. This setting will basically slow down your audio or speed it up, and in doing so, the pitch will also change. Right now the stretch factor is set at 100%, but if we set it to a higher value than that, the audio will get slowed down. And as you can see, the new duration of this layer will get bigger. If you set this value to something lower than 100%, the audio will get sped up obviously. Now keep this setting as it is, layer endpoint, click OK, and let's play it back. Great, now let's add the bass effect. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for bass and treble. Once it's added onto the layer, in the effect controls, you can set the bass to -10, and for the treble, you can set it to -30 in value. Play it back. Sounds great. And now, you can add this music layer onto your edit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.